List of important Indian Army military exercises. Garuda Shakti, held between the Army of Indonesia and India. Al Naga, held between the Army of Oman and India. China-India Joint, held between the Army of China and India. Winbex, held between the Army of Vietnam and India. Nomadic Elephant, held between the Army of Mongolia and India. Mitra Shakti, held between the Army of Sri Lanka and Ajay Yodha, held between the Army of UK and India. Yuddh Abhyas, held between the Army of United States of America and India. Vajra Prahar, held between the Army of United States of America and India. Indra, held between the Army of Russia and India. Mathri, held between the Army of Thailand and India. Surya Kiran, held between the Army of Nepal and India. Hand in Hand, held between the Army of China and India. Prabal Dosti, held between the Army of Kazakhstan. Ekuverin, held between the Army of Maldives and India. Samprati, held between the Army of Bangladesh and India. Bold Kurukshetra, held between the Army of Singapore and India. Agni Yodha, held between the Army of Singapore and India. Khanjar, held between the Army of Kyrgyzstan and India. Khan Quest, held between the Army of Mongolia and India. Salvex, held between the Army of the United States and India. China-India Joint, held between the Army of China and India. Imbex, held between the Army of Myanmar and India. Lamite, held between the Army of Seychelles and the Army of India. List of important Indian Navy military exercises. Auchinleck, held between the Navy of Australia and India. Kojin, held between the Navy of Japan and India. Varuna, held between the Navy of France and India. Konkan, held between the Navy of UK and India. Ipsamrar, held between the Navy of South Africa, Brazil and India. Malabar, held between the Navy of USA, Japan and India. Slynex, held between the Navy of Sri Lanka and India. Simbex, held between the Navy of Singapore and India. List of important Indian Air Force military exercises. Eastern Bridge, held between the Air Force of Oman and India. Red Flag, held between the Air Force of USA and India. COPE India, held between the Air Force of USA and India. Indira Dhanush, held between the Air Force of Britain and India. Desert Eagle, held between the Air Force of United Arab Emirates and India. Syndex, held between the Air Force of Singapore and India. Garuda, held between the Air Force of France and India. Siam India, held between the Air Force of Thailand and India.